You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken Tech for your ears.
Welcome along. We're digging into the latest cybersecurity shifts today. And honestly, there's some surprising stuff, some really vital insights you need to know. We're trying to cut through the noise, understand these critical vulnerabilities, new attack methods, and just the ongoing fight for digital security.
Absolutely. And what's interesting is how all these pieces, they kind of fit together. You start seeing the bigger picture of digital risk when you look at them side by side.
Okay, let's jump right in then. First up, Trend Micro. They've confirmed active exploits on two critical vulnerabilities.
Right, in their Apex One management console, on-premise stuff.
Exactly. CVE 2025-54948 and CVE 2025-54987. We're talking command injection, CVSS 9.4. That's severe.
9.4 is definitely up there. Critical.
It lets pre-authenticated remote attackers execute commands, upload malicious code, so they don't even need to log in first.
And that pre-authenticated remote attacker part is huge for on-prem systems. It's like walking straight into the building without needing a key card or anything.
Bypassing the front desk entirely.
Pretty much. They hit the system over the network, tell it what to do. Malicious code running inside your network, just like that. It's an immediate, serious compromise.
Yeah, okay. And if that wasn't enough, get this. Researchers found 9 0 days in HashiCorp Vault. 9!
Wow. And 5 in CyberArk Conjure too, right?
That's it. And they didn't just find them, they chained them together.
Chained them to achieve what?
Remote code execution. RCE. Against both Vault and Conjure, they managed to bypass MFA, certificate auth, everything.
Oh, yeah.
And escalated privileges from admin right up to root.
Okay, that's next level. Yeah. Breaching password vaults, I mean, those are supposed to be the crown jewels, right? The keys to the kingdom.
That's right.
Chaining that many 0 days together shows just incredible sophistication. It suggests attackers understand these systems maybe even better than the defenders sometimes. Scary stuff.
It really is. Now, shifting gears a bit, but equally fascinating, is this whole area of AI prompt injection. Sounds like sci-fi almost.
It does a bit, yeah. Tell me about the GitHub example.
Right. So attackers filed malicious issues on GitHub, but hidden inside HTML picture tags were these secret prompts.
Hidden prompts, how does that work?
So GitHub Copilot, the AI assistant, was tasked to fix the issue, but it read the hidden prompt within the tag.
Which a human looking at the page wouldn't normally see.
Exactly. And Copilot, trying to be helpful, just inserted backdoors into the code based on that hidden instruction.
Turning the AI into an unwitting accomplice. That's clever. And dangerous.
Very. It's manipulating the AI's intent, not just exploiting a code flaw in the traditional sense.
Yeah, the AI sees the raw input, the hidden command, and just acts on it. Its helpfulness becomes the vulnerability.
And we saw something similar with Google Gemini too, right? Malicious calendar events used to trick the AI.
That's right. Subtly crafted events to prompt Gemini into controlling smart home devices, things like that.
Yeah.
Google patched it fast, thankfully.
But it shows the pattern.
It does. And it makes you wonder, how much can we really trust these AI systems when they can be manipulated in these subtle ways? It's not just about code security anymore. It's about securing context and intent.
Which brings us to the bigger question. Why is preventative security just so hard? We keep seeing the same challenges pop up.
Like big tech having all the resources, maybe. Or companies not wanting to help competitors, different operating environments, making standards hard to implement.
Yeah, all of that.
And these underlying issues, they create the perfect environment for these kinds of attacks to succeed.
Yeah.
The attackers are ingenious, and if the foundations are shaky...
they'll find a way in.
Exactly. It really pushes for a more, proactive and maybe collaborative way of thinking about defense, less siloed.
And let's not forget, there are real-world consequences, like the Samurai Wallet founders pleading guilty.
Laundering over $200 million, facing serious present time.
It shows the law is catching up, right?
Yeah. It does. It demonstrates that digital crimes have very real, tangible penalties. It adds another layer, another deterrent, hopefully, to the whole landscape.
So, wrapping up, we've gone from critical on-prem flaws to incredibly complex vault breaches, and even AI being subtly manipulated. The threat landscape is just constantly shifting, constantly evolving.
It really is. And when you see the ingenuity behind these attacks, you realize the challenge isn't just about patching this hole or that one. It's about constantly questioning our basic security assumptions. Where are we really safe? We have to stay ahead, continually rethinking things. So I guess the final thought for you listening is, what part of this constantly changing digital battlefield surprises you the most? What keeps you thinking?
Spoken Tech. for your ears.